Electric movers draw their own power from an electric outlet through an extension cord. These movers also draw their electric power from an onboard battery. Electric movers are not suited to every lawn, but under the right conditions an electric mover may be a better choice. Electric movers start with the flip of a switch. They will run all season at an electricity. Maintenance consists of cleaning dust, grass clippings and other debris from top side and underside. Electric movers are like their gas engine counterparts in their configuration. A rotatory steel blade spin inside a deck, which may be plastic or steel. You rise and lower the deck to suit grass length and density via 1, 2 or 4 height adjustment levers, and you either push the mover or it push itself with rear wheel or front wheel drive. Now discuss different lawn electric mover. Number 1. Sunjoy Ion Lawn Mower. It utilizes the most advanced lithium-ion technology to deliver up to 40 minutes of whisper-cute runtime with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. It is ideal for small to mid-sized lawns. The Ion 16LM starts instantly with the simple push of a button, and its ergonomic handle maximizes user comfort during use. Its compact design features rough front and rear all-terrain wheels that make it easy to use in tight spaces. The Ion 16LM is engineered with a powerful 600-watt brushless motor for increased battery efficiency. The Ion 16LM lawn mower features a 9.25 gallon grass bag, easily monitor grass catcher's content to know when to empty through the grass indicator window, detaches easily for convenient disposal. Number 2. Black Decker Lawn Mower. The design for cutting efficiency and corded power for convenient yard care. The Black Decker EM1500 corded mower with Edge Max starts easily with just a push of a button. The most important feature is 10 AMP motor and 15-inch lightweight deck. The EM1500 has a cutting light range of 1 inch to 3 inches, plus include a convenient single lever height adjustment rises or lowers all 4 wheels simultaneously. The durable and lightweight cutting deck never rusts and easy to clean. For convenient storage, the mover handles fold down so it fits nicely in small spaces in shades or grades. The 15-inch mover wheels are positioned in line with cutting blade, offering up to the edge cutting along fences and landscape. The EM1500 also features power dry technology with offer high torque cutting, keep extension cords tangle free. A cord wrap system is mounted on the movers for convenient management and storage of power cords. A power cord holder slides along the mover handle to prevent the power cord from getting in the way. Number 3. Snapper XT 82-volt cordless electric mower. Its runtime is up to 90 minutes with 2 bricks and Stratton 82-volt maximum 2.0 lithium-ion batteries, 21-inch steel moving deck with 3-in-1 design, and also include bag or side discharge grass clipping with ease. Snapper XT electric mower is include intelligent load sensing technology, allows for optimum power levels while you move for maximum efficiency. Can also work simply and easily. Push the button start and single lever 7 positions height of cut adjustment. It is suitable for both small and medium sized garden. The large 1.7 bushel bagger to collect clipping and a single lever 7 positions height of cut adjustment for ideal lawn height. Number 4. Greenworks Lawn Mower. The Greenworks company introduced also a lawn mower. Greenworks electric motor delivers enough power to cut through the tough grass. The durable steel 21-inch cutting deck gets the job done quicker and more efficiently and easily. Greenworks include 3-in-1 feature, provide multiple options for grass clipping from rear bagging, side discharge. The 7-position highest adjustment offers a range of cutting height from 1 to 12 inch to 3 to 3 by 4 inch for the perfect cut on all grass types. It also includes wide 10-inch rear wheels and 7-inch front wheels. Please lift the rear discharge cover to find the mulching plug. Its weight about 56 lbs. The 18-inch cutting deck offers a balance of maneuverability and cutting capacity. Number 5. Vorex WG779 Electric Lawn Mower. The Vorex WG779 is 40-volt power share lawn mower. It is better, cleaner, easily to use and friendly on your local environment lawn mower. The dual 20-volt power share batteries deliver 40 volt of maximum power and performance. The patented IntelliCut technology delivers power on demand, saves your battery far when you really need it. The foam-padded handle provides a comfortable grip for reduce while cutting the grass. The single lever adjustment lets you select between 3 cutting heights. It is easily to use and move up to 1500 square feet on a single charge. It also includes power lever indicators. You can also set your cutting height with the easy adjustment lever. You can pick up from 3 heights, so depending on the season or just the look you want for your lawn. The charge indicators include, so you always know exactly how much power you use. The IntelliCut technology includes, in which just turn the knob and you have got more torque to power through, then dial it back down when you are clear to save on battery. If you like this product and want to purchase, then click on the link that is below in the description.